And so, my dear sisters and brothers, the first reading is also telling us in a similar way what God has not done right from the beginning till the end. Always He is giving us the way to live. But the way to live there has been now exemplified to us in Jesus. So you know how Dominic found that out, and then he began to be an instrument to bring everyone to God. What is our work? The same thing. We are also to bring everyone to Jesus. Who is going to do that? Jesus Himself. So we need to cooperate with Him with the attitude of our Blessed Mother. I am the servant of Jesus, my body, mind, and spirit. Let it be done to me according to your word. You do it, I cooperate with you. That should be our attitude, and we shall pray for this at this Mass so that all of us really live happy and joyful in our lives. Hold your hands like this, keep your back straight, close your eyes, and just be present to God, who is all the time coming into us to renew us. Every time He fills us from our toes right up to our head with His newness. And every time we breathe out, we empty that newness along with all our not so good newness, the old stuff. Let us surrender it all to Him so that it gets purified with Him who has died, who has cleansed us with His precious blood, so that we can be renewed at the next breath and become ever who we should be in Him.